The most dangerous journalist in America was a black woman with a notebook and a train ticket. Everyone thinks lynching happened because of crimes. That's what newspapers reported. That's what people believed. But Ida B. Wells decided to investigate for herself in 1892. She traveled across the South. She interviewed families. She dug through records. Here's what she found. Most lynching victims weren't criminals. They were successful black businessmen, store owners, property owners, men whose only crime was economic competition. Wells published her findings. White business owners were using racial violence to eliminate black competitors. It wasn't about justice. It was about money. The response was swift. A mob destroyed her newspaper office in Memphis. A bounty was placed on her head. She fled to New York with nothing. But Wells didn't stop. She continued investigating from exile. She co-founded the NAACP. She organized the first black women's suffrage groups. Her groundbreaking journalism exposed an economic conspiracy hidden behind racial hatred. Then history books erased her name for over a century. The truth she uncovered was too dangerous to remember.